Guys, Olight, I don't know how they do it. They just keep improving on what they have. They came out with their ArkPro Lite. Let's get into it. It's a 1200 lumen EDC that fits in the palm of your hand. So this little EDC came in matte black. It has two charging options. There's a USB-C, which you'll need to supply a cable, and their magnetic base, which that cable is included. A safety feature for shipping these lights is before you can activate it, you actually have to put that magnetic base on with a power source to get it on. So we have a little battery gauge. Let me show you here. So we have a little battery gauge, and then you have the light selection. It has a UV light. It has a red light up to 40 lumens with an SOS mode in that red light, as well as 5 settings and strobe. So let's get into it. It's got that turn dial. So we have it set on UV, hold it down, and then you have your 2 different settings. Into the middle, you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 settings. Triple tap to get that turbo mode. And then we have that strobe as well. That red light feature is cool because if you're going camping, it'll extend the battery life. It's easier on the eyes, it's more natural, and it keeps bugs away from those bright lights. It does have those 2 modes, and then once we get that click in, it'll go into SOS mode. Fantastic. So you can leave this out if you need some assistance. If not, well, it's just neat to have, and you can do your reading when you're camping or any low light situations. So let's get into it. It does have a 1350 milliamp hour battery, which will keep everything going, and we'll go over the stats and the build quality coming up next. So now let's take a close-up look at the ArkPro Lite. This 1200 lumen white light boasts a moonlight option, low, medium, high, turbo, as well as that strobe. The 40 lumen red is the high output, and it has a 5 lumen low with that SOS mode. The UV ultraviolet light is 1000 mid-wave, and the battery, as mentioned before, is 1350 milliamp hours. The runtime is fantastic for that little battery. Moonlight will last you 10 days. With the red light on, 39 hours, and the UV light, you can get 360 minutes out of this. It is IPX7 rated and a 1 meter drop test. For emergencies, that SOS red flashing strobe comes in handy, and it also protects your natural vision and attracts fewer bugs with red light. Let's get this thing charged up, and we will get it outside to see the beam pattern and brightness options. So here we are in my backyard, and I'll just turn my little watch light on. Here is that Olight little EDC, and we will go through the settings. So in order to activate moonlight, you will hold and press the center button for 2 seconds, and now we have that moonlight on. 1 press will take it off, 1 press will turn it on, and all you have to do is hold the center button down. 1, 2, 3. So there is that spotlight on high. Double click for turbo. 1, 2. Now it's in turbo mode. 3 clicks for strobe. 1, 2, 3. 1 press to get off. We will switch it over to the red light. Same thing as before. 1 press in the middle will bring that first 5 lumen red light on. Hold the middle. It'll go up to 40 lumens for the red light. Triple click, and we will have that flashing SOS mode. Switch it over into the UV. We will have that low UV light. Hold it down, and then when we have that secondary one. Well, there you have it, everybody. We just saw the beam test and the modes in the dark. And if Olight keeps coming out with new models, make sure that you subscribe, because I'm going to be doing everything I can in my powers to get these to you. Till next time, we'll see you guys on the trail.